Oh, there she is. Genesis, come here, sweetie. Hey!
Yes, come on! Come on, sweetheart! Come on! Hi, baby girl! Let's get you out of the water, okay?
Hey, I think I got her in the woods. Yeah, she might be able to hear your name if you call her for now. She's going to be about, I would say about 80 feet in front of you. I got 2 deputies. Yep, just keep walking that direction.
We're going to have you sit right here, okay? Sit right here with your legs hanging out. Hello, cut. How long? You were walking quite a bit, sweetheart.
What was that?
We were looking for you, sweetheart.